Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Julio, and this is my final project. 5 months common electrical problems in his vehicle. Undisturbed electrical fault in vehicles. Electrical faults are a significant contributor to vehicle brakes and can stem for various issues between the electrical system. The integrity of the electric system is crucial for ensuring overall vehicle performance, including straining the engine and providing power to essential components like leaks and air conditioning. Cause of electrical failures. Battery issues. Battery issues are a primary cause of electric failures in vehicles. These can include battery drain due to age, faulty charging system, or simply leaving links on leading to the battery. Bad spark plugs. Detecting fault spark plugs here can mean the difference between an efficient engine and one thing weighs more fall, lose power, or everything face completely. The alternador built. The alternador might be the core source and usual Shinrai in your car battery. A fault or failure in its build can cause you more time tight. HLC, you should check the condition of the build, why the engine cold. If there is a fault here, it will need to be replaced immediately. Blow fuses are cannot operate Y2 T electric generator B T vehicles alternador, which is the storm in the car battery. This electric as intensive measures in pairs normally the fuse grows because it receives a voltage surge in the system, which could because be a fault. Problems in the coils. The car coils or inductors have a component car a solenoid wires function car range from distribution electrical power to the starter motor to enabling the central locking system to work. A failure in these components can easily be confused and dead battery or a defective start motor. The most obvious consequence is the visual war star or star burning. Battery discharge, a common electrical problem. The battery is essential for providing the electric power need to operate various functions. Frequent discharge can lead to strain in issues and affect the performance of the vehicle's electrical system. shift of battery failure, defining heat link, show engine car, wiring leak of dashboard, electric issues with components. Solution for battery issues: implement effective solution to main battery health and prevent failures. Charge the battery. You can recharge the battery usual 12 voltios battery changer. Clean terminal and connection. You should check the condition of the cables and terminal to verify they are not suspect. Replace OS battery. The old battery should be replaced if it has reached the end of its useful life. Turn on the battery with the help of Simeone. You can use another vehicle battery using alligator clips to change the Shinger battery. Introduction to spark plugs. Spark plugs are crucial components in a vehicle's injection system. The primary function is to inject the air full mixture in the engine central enable effect engine operation. Common failures to fault connection. Engine failure issues. Increased fuel consumption. Usual engine noise. Loss of performance. Symptoms of engine failures. Identify issues related to spark plug connection can help in time interventions. 70% difficult start the engine, 50% unusual variations, 60% loss of power. Solution and recommendation for spark plug connection issues. Addressing common connection problems to ensure optimal vehicle performance. Inspection and thinner connection. You should ensure our spark plug connection are secure to prevent misfires. Clean terminal connection. It can remove any corruption present on the terminals, improving conductivity. Replace damaged engines bearings. Your should inspect and replace and damage of worn engine wires. Very power installation of spark plugs. You should check that spark plugs are installed correctly to avoid apparent problems. The alternator build. The alternator build might be the cause source of an unusual discharge in your car battery. A fault of failure in the build can cause you more time tight hitch. You should check the condition of the build always while the engine cold. If there is a fault, there is will need to be replaced immediately. Common faults do fault alternator build. Alternator push problem, power loss in electric system, battery discharge quick, complex stop of the vehicle. Solution and recommendation for defective alternator build. Alternator build is crucial for alternator to function properly. Visual inspection of the build. You must check the build every time you performance maintenance. Grip change. The build should be checked if crack nuts. Check if battery is changed. If the alternator build is broke, you should check condition of battery. Both a good quality grade. You can buy a build quality grade for a low lifespan. Broad fusion. A car cannot operate with the electric generated by the vehicle's alternator, which is the store in the car battery. This electric as intensive mensured and amperes normally. The force grows because it receives a voltage surge in the system, which called because via fault. Common faults do blow fusions. Problems start the car. Vehicles may lack of servers, wizard wiper disabling, power windows not working. Solution and recommendation for brown fusion are crucial from the brown function of the electric system and vehicle. Visual inspection of fuse box. You can start by checking that the fuses are not blown. Replace blue fusing. You must replace the brown fuse tank you thin inter-terminal block. Make sure your point in the correct fusel. You should set the fusel a condition to amperes required by the manufacturer. Correct problem in verify electric. You should fix electric problems like bar and crack wires. Problem in T-coils. T-car or coils or inductors have a complement called a solenoid where fusion can range for distribute electric power to start motor the two enable the center's lodging system to work. Failure in these components can easily be confused with a dead battery or a defective start motor. The most obvious consequence is the vehicle won't start properly. Common faults due to a defective coil. Defective starting the engine, less power and lower fuel economy. Engine solution and recommendation for defective coils. Check the core wise. You can start by checking that the coil wires are not stripped or cooled. Check if the coils are working correctly. Your car remove the coil and test if a spark comes out of the tip of the coil. Check the coil resistance to vary the coil is not coarse. Just shows user a multimeter and see the resistance of the coil. Conclusion. Electrical problems are a key factor in vehicles and being aware of the can great enhance vehicle reliability by regularly inspecting electric system and address common issues like battery failures, faulty bearings, and malfunction components. Drivers can ensure a safer and more effective driving experience. Esa sería mi exposición, teacher. Es todo lo que junté y muchas gracias.